Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher and Pawan. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a shared folder for VirtualBox for share files between two different OSs. That means how to share files to your VirtualBox installed OS and how to get the VirtualBox installed OS files to your original PC. So let's just start our video and see how to do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Now you need to select the virtual machine that you want to create a shared folder for share files, and then you need to go to your PC and create a new folder. In my case, I have already created a folder for this process, and you can see there are so many files I have already included on that folder. My folder is located here, and this is the folder that I created for this purpose. So you can see there are lots of files that I have already pasted to that folder. So then you need to go to the setting of this VirtualBox. Now click on this shared folder option. Now you need to click on this plus folder icon. Now click on here and click on other option. Now you need to go to the folder that you have already created for this purpose. In my case, my folder is located here, and I am going to select that folder. Now you need to turn on this auto mount option and press OK. I can't add that folder once again because I have already added it. Now you need to click on that OK button. Now you can see our folder is successfully added to this virtual machine. Then click on OK. Now you need to launch your virtual OS. Okay guys, now you need to click on this devices option and click on insert quest addition CD image option. Now you need to go to your my computer. Then you can find this CD drive VirtualBox quest additions of CD. Now you need to install this VirtualBox Windows Editions setup file according to the Windows OS that you have installed on your VirtualBox. In my case, I have installed 64-bit. Now I need to install this setup. After completing of this process, you need to click on reboot. Now we have successfully completed the rebooting process of this VirtualBox installed OS. Then you need to go to the my computer of this OS. Now you can find this VirtualBox folder. Now you can see all the setup and folders that I have added to this folder on my original OS is showing on this VirtualBox folder. If I deleted one folder from here, that folder is also deleted from this OS. So you can see it's gone. Likewise, you can share the files between these two OSs from using this folder. So this is the end of our video. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.